Hi, I'm Simon. I'm the Chief Exec of GCRE Limited. The Global Centre of Rail Excellence that we're building in South Wales is one of the most exciting and creative railway projects in all of the UK and Europe. For many years, the rail industry has lacked a world-class site to undertake comprehensive single-site testing of rolling stock, infrastructure and innovative new rail technologies. With the new GCRE facility, the industry have finally the international quality innovation centre it badly needs. It'll help us develop new products and technologies faster. It will help lower the cost of infrastructure and give everyone greater confidence about deploying new innovations in major projects much earlier, with huge benefits for the industry's path to net zero. This world-class facility will help us develop products and innovations faster. It will help us bring products to market more quickly. It will make the railway greener and safer, and it will improve the railway experience for everybody.
This facility will fill a strategic gap in the rail industry as a place to test new ideas, new innovation on a world-class site, helping the sector to move faster towards net zero and helping us all create the greener, integrated and more reliable transport system that we need for tomorrow. One of its most attractive features is that it will help us all to manage the costs of major rail projects more effectively. With the GCRE facility, we can be much more confident that the new technologies and new innovations tested at the GCRE site can be deployed on projects successfully.
Here in Onllwyn, at the top of the Dylais Valley, been to see the Global Centre for Rail Excellence. It's a really exciting development. It's a very good example of us using our natural advantages here in Wales, with the government working with the private sector to bring about economic change in a part of the world that really needs it. We've seen the landscape, we've seen the future plans where the track will go, and it's a really exciting opportunity, and we are looking forward over the course of the next few months to seeing more and more investment come in here and making a reality of the really exciting plans that the Global Centre has. So a very, very exciting morning and a really exciting time ahead for us.
I'm here with the GCRE team in Wales. This is an old open cast mine. It's the size of Gibraltar in terms of its landmass, and the idea is where I'm standing right now, there will be trains hurtling through here being tested for development.
GCRE will be really important for both Transport for Wales, but for also the rail industry right across the UK.
We support GCRE. We're passionate about developing new technology. It enables us to provide a better, safer and more cost-effective service to our passengers and freight users. And the GCRE facility, when it's built, will enable us to test infrastructure components without needing to use the mainline railway. It will enable us to test the reliability of our designs and those of our suppliers without causing delays to our customers. A loop test track will be a unique facility in the United Kingdom, and GCRE will bring high quality jobs to Wales. So we're supportive and we look forward to working closely with you as the scheme develops.
Now, you all know and we know that railways are critical to our national future. They encourage economic growth, are vital to our path to net zero and provide critical infrastructure services that are needed to support new homes and vital public good. Rail is the backbone upon which we can build a fairer, greener and more competitive UK of tomorrow. But to achieve this, we need a bold ambition. We need to create a simpler, better railway for everyone in Britain. The Plan for Rail, published by the government, sets out a blueprint for how we can do just that. It charts an ambitious course for the future of our railways.
I've always thought it crazy that UK train manufacturers have needed to take new train designs to continental Europe for type testing, purely because of the unavailability of a suitable facility in the UK. More importantly, train builders and infrastructure technology developers have been forced to use the country's already overcrowded network as its testbed. How can it be the right approach to put day-to-day services at risk whilst we resolve the early life failures that are inevitable with any new technology? GCRE will solve this problem as soon as it's put into use. Added to this, the economic benefit brought to the local community in Wales will be substantial, with new jobs and investments spreading across the entirety of the local area.
The Global Centre for Railway Excellence is a fantastic new development in the UK with backing from both the Welsh and UK governments. It's going to provide some fantastic facilities that our supply chain can test and trial their new products, their technologies, and of course new rolling stock. And it's going to provide some absolutely fantastic facilities, not just for companies in the UK, but across the world.
Physical testing remains essential to validate models and simulation, and only full-scale testing of both rolling stock and infrastructure jointly allows us to safely push the boundaries and get the most out of existing and new assets.
Offering my not only support but enthusiasm for the Global Centre of Rail Excellence project. It's, and I don't use this word lightly, a unique facility for the rail industry that will have, I think, a much broader benefits than specifically testing trains on a particular track in that part of South Wales. It's a fantastic facility. I think it's an opportunity for investors to genuinely improve on their ESG profile themselves in terms of the types of programs and projects they invest in.
GCRE for us is a brilliant new asset that not only benefits the UK rail industry, but the UK economy as a whole. It provides exciting projects like East West Rail with a trusted partner that believes in innovation as passionately as we do, in order for us to develop the railways of tomorrow, greener, safer and more efficient. GCRE is an outstanding facility for us. We're able to test our trains in the UK and not to send them overseas. We can do it at high speed. We can do modern train control and conventional signalling. We can do concept stations, we can do integration testing, and we can do R&D. All of these things reduce our development costs and accelerate the speed we can put our railway into place.
There's nothing quite like this facility today in Europe, and having such a facility in the UK will help us stay at the forefront of both digital solutions for infrastructure and technology, something that will be really valuable in developing solutions which are more cost effective, energy efficient and sustainable.